start over.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself to those who do not know me. My name is Harinder Pal Singh and I am alumna of Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar. My batch was 1982 to 86 in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I was popularly known as Doctor during college days, and thereafter, as my real name was hardly known to the college students. There was a story behind this name as well. During first year of admission, Surinder Pal Singh Kang, known as Chitta Kang, of Mechanical Engineering, and one Parminder Singh Goparai of Civil Engineering asked me how I landed up in Bidar. I told them I appeared for PMT in Punjab and was trying to become doctor, but could not get admission in MBBS. My father forced me to go to PAU for joining veterinary doctor as a course, but I came back as was not comfortable with animal doctor tag. So I did additional mathematics as a subject and joined engineering at GNDC Bidar. From there they named me as doctor out of sheer fun, which became famous like wildfire. As Goparai came to Bidar after being unsuccessful at NDA entry exam, as he wanted to become cadet. So he was accordingly named Fauji. My roommate Kang was from Chandigarh area and he was having very fair color. And there was another Kang from Ganganagar area of Rajasthan who was having dark skin. So both Kangs named as Chitta Kang and the other as Kala Kang. Most of our stories are similar to Three Idiots movie thereafter. After doing BE Electronics and Communication from GNDC Bidar, I did ME Electronics from Punjab University Chandigarh and recently completed PhD under Dr. Harpreet Singh of Wayne State University, Michigan, USA. So as to become a real doctor, although I enjoyed being called doctor by my college mates. Interestingly, most of my juniors never knew why the boys called me doctor. Also, I washed off that funny tag of doctor by encouraging my daughter to become doctor, who's now an MD doctor. My son is a manager of Hospo company at New Zealand. Regarding career, I have been having a successful career as principal and director of many polytechnic and government engineering colleges, including a bigger one named as Slight Longowal, which is a deemed university now. Before being promoted as additional director of technical education and industrial training with Government of Punjab at DT headquarters Chandigarh, I have more than 30 years of academic, management and research experience in technical education system with lots of published work. So regarding Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College Bidar experiences, it was a golden period of my life as I enjoyed every day being there. The college was having good facilities for students, as Sardar Joga Singh, the founder chairman of college, took special interest to develop this college as Sikh minority college, although every religion was welcome there, having faith in the principles of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. I used college computer lab even during those days, beginning 1982-83, learning Fortran language and read the book written by Professor Raja Ramana, as Mr. P.V. Deshpande taught us computer programming, and we were having Patni and Wipro brand of PCAT and PCXT computers. I was having an intelligent and naughty personality, so I used to complete my classwork and term work in time, and at the same time me and Goparai, Gurinder Danewalia and few more missed many afternoon classes to watch old movies at Guljar Takis of Bidar and few other cinema, including going to twin cities of Sikandrabad and Hyderabad on some weekends. Goparai and me were very fond of Mumtaz and Siri Devi old movies. We also enjoyed our food at Moti Mahal Dhaba and Gyani's Dhaba frequently. I also used to write and recite Punjabi poetry along with Sukhdev Golwad, as both of us were influenced by Shiv Kumar Batali. Due to our failed love stories, I got special recognition when I wrote a poem on history of Nanak Chira Sahib Gurdwara, which was presented at a Gurdwara function as Sardar Sundar Singh Hajuria, the then General Secretary of Nanak Chira Sahib Trust, presented me with special sropa and sword as 6 symbols of this work of mine. After first year of Gurdwara hostel, we 5-6 friends shifted to one private koti named as White House, and then another named Irani building near college. Gurinder Avla, Ravi Sehgal, Major Sidhu, Jagrup Khela, Gurinder Landra became my Irani building roommates, and we had a cook employed named as Baswaraj for cooking our meals. I managed the kitchen with contributions of all my roommates. Gurinder has a car stereo and big speakers, as we enjoyed parties there. I brought Jajdi motorcycle in final year of my studies from my hometown. After passing out in 1986, I sold the same motorcycle to our mechanics professor on a profit of rupees 2000. While living at Irani building, I used to study early and then used to go to other boys' rooms to disturb them. Gurinder Landra was my favorite for this activity. There are so many other interesting stories related to Jasbir Singh Khalsa, my friend and junior, as he was known as Dudh Pina Khalsa, as he did not like junior girls wearing skirts, etc. I can write a book on days of GNDC Bidar days, starting from first batch boys like Virk, NP, Gurdeep to junior most batches. The fights between Fauji and Sidhu and whatnot. Mr. Sukhija, principal, once remarked on a Khand Path organized by us as Kale Mende Kapde, Kala Menda Ves, Gunhi Parya Maifira Te Log Kehen Darvesh. Due to my support to Sidhu group in fights, time here is short to tell everything. Finally, it was a great fun and learning at Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College Bidar, which gave all successful career to a boy of small town like me. In the year 2010 at Chandigarh, we started having reunions of GNDC Bidar every year at different North Indian destinations like Chandigarh, Delhi, Faridabad and Amritsar. I also attended one official alumni meet at Bidar during 2016. The college management welcomed us all. I am thankful to Reshma Madam as they sent me a special car with driver at Hyderabad airport to pick me and my family up. I am admin of largest alumni group Bidar Ki Lal Mitti and few more connecting GNDC pass outs and college. All the pictures of reunions and contact address are available in this group. Finally, I am available for any help if the college need. Thank you, Alma Madam.